I went to Mexico for a simple $40 teeth cleaning and somehow came back with a gold grill, bro. But this actually explains exactly what happens when you start a medical transport business. I walked in expecting a cleaning. Dentist looked at me and said, "My friend, you need to shine." Next thing you know, Poppy Joe walks out looking like a cartoon rapper running 50 wheelchair vans. And that's exactly how NEMT works. You think you're starting simple, then boom, unexpected expenses. Boom, government delays. Boom, cash flow problems you didn't see coming. In this business you deal with brokers delaying payments, slow weeks with fewer trips, vans breaking down, staff calling out, extra documentation, and surprise costs just like this grill. That's why you need a plan before it hits you. If you want to survive in NEMT, you must 1. Have a line of credit. 2. Keep emergency cash. 3. Reinvest money back into vans and marketing. 4. Stop buying luxury flex items. 5. Expect unexpected costs. Because entrepreneurship is not a straight line. Sometimes you're building your business. Sometimes you're explaining to your wife why you have a gold grill. So my official CEO emergency grill plan is: use soft lighting so I don't blind my followers. Deduct it on taxes because why not? If cash flow ever gets tight, I'm selling the grill on eBay and buying another van. Moral of the story: NEMT will always hit you with surprises, just like this grill. But if you prepare, invest smart, and stay flexible, you can build a 6- or 7-figure transport business even when life gets crazy. DM me. I'll show you exactly how to start NEMT the right way. Grill optional. I remain Poppy Joe from NEMT and IASM. See you in our next video.
Believe in you, unlock the door. Start your business, what you waiting for? God's plan plus hustle forevermore. NEMT Empire, we soar!